The name of the lesson is The Man Cub. Cub means animal babies are called as cub. Animal babies are called as cub. I'm going to show you some photos. In this lesson, you can see few animals. This is a wolf. It looks like a dog or a fox. The baby crawling. Crawling means moving with hands and leg. How the baby crawls? A new word, that is mouth of the cave. Mouth of the cave means entrance of the cave is called as mouth of the cave. There is a tiger in this lesson and the name of this tiger is Sher Khan. And there is a bear, brown bear, and the name of this brown bear is Baloo. And there is a panther in the lesson and the name of this panther is Bagheera. So we'll start the lesson. Children, I think you have seen the cartoon, The Jungle Book. Have you seen the cartoon, The Jungle Book? Yes, this is the same story of Jungle Book. So I'm going to start the story. One day in a forest, there was a big cave. In the cave, there was Mummy Wolf, Daddy Wolf, and 4 cubs sleeping in the cave. Who was there? Mummy Wolf, Daddy Wolf, and 4 cubs. That is the baby of the wolf. They all were sleeping in the cave inside. So one afternoon, what happened when they were sleeping? They heard that tiger roaring with an angry. Tiger was roaring. And Daddy Wolf asked Mummy Wolf, why this Sher Khan is so angry? The name of the tiger is Sher Khan. And he said, why this tiger is so angry? Then Mummy Wolf and Daddy Wolf, they both went near the entrance of the cave. That is the mouth of the cave. They went near the mouth of the cave. When they went there, they saw the bush near the cave started shaking slowly. They suddenly, Mummy Wolf and Daddy Wolf, they came back. They don't know why the bush was shaking. And when they went again, when they went near the bush, they saw a small human baby crawling. A small human baby crawling near the cave. Then they saw, and Daddy Wolf said to Mummy Wolf, see, it's a human baby. It's a human baby. So I think this tiger might be behind this baby to eat it. Sher Khan wanted to eat the baby. So he is so angry that he couldn't eat the baby. Then Mummy Wolf said, shall we take this baby inside the cave? Daddy Wolf said, okay, we'll take this baby inside the cave. And when they wanted to take the baby inside, baby started crawling. Baby started crawling and the baby went near the wolf baby and the wolf cub and it slept next to them. Then suddenly this tiger came. Who came? Tiger came. Sher Khan came and he was very angry. He said to the wolf, give the baby to me. Then wolf said, no, it's our baby now. I'm not going to give you the baby. Sher Khan was very angry. He said, no, I want that baby now. I want to eat it. Then Mummy Wolf was very angry. She leaped on the tiger and she said in an angry face, no, I'm not going to give the baby to you. When she was so angry, even tiger felt scared. So he went slowly. He went back. He didn't stand there. He went. Then Mummy Wolf and Daddy Wolf came inside the cave and they saw this human baby was sleeping next to the wolf babies. That is wolf cub. There was the human baby was sleeping next to the wolf baby. Then Mummy Wolf and Daddy Wolf, they thought, we'll keep this human baby with us. So when they wanted to keep it with them, they thought of naming that baby. They wanted to give some name to that baby. So Mummy said, shall we name this baby as Mowgli? When they called the baby Mowgli, baby smiled at them. When the baby smiled, Mummy Wolf and Daddy Wolf felt very happy. And they thought, we'll keep this baby with us. So before we keep some other animals with us, we need to discuss with other family members. So they decided and they thought, we'll call all the animals in the forest and we'll ask them, can I keep this baby in our cave? So they invited all the animals from the jungle, and all the animals came, and all the animals came and they wanted to see who is this new baby. When they saw that, the wolf said, Father Wolf asked the animals, can we keep this baby with us? Then there was a brown bear. He said, okay, we'll keep this baby with us. I'm going to teach all the necessity things that the baby need to learn if the baby want to stay in the forest. Don't worry, I am there. I'm going to teach everything to this baby. Who said? A brown bear. He said, I'm going to teach everything to this baby. Then there was one more animal, that is panther. The name of that panther is, what is the name of that panther? Bagheera, yes. The name of that panther is Bagheera. Bagheera said, okay, we'll keep this baby with us. We'll keep this baby with us. We'll take care of the baby. Then they thought, we'll keep this baby, and all the wolf family, they agreed. What did they say? They agreed to the mummy wolf and daddy wolf. They said, okay, we'll keep this baby with us and we'll teach that baby how to survive in the forest. This was a small story of us human baby as well as the animals. Now I'm going to show you one video.
In the jungle, Father Wolf had just woken up and Mother Wolf was lying with her 4 cubs in their cave. Suddenly, they heard the tiger's angry roar. I wonder what has made him so angry, said Mother Wolf. They walked up to the mouth of the cave. Suddenly, a tiny human baby crawled out of the bushes. A man's cub, said Father Wolf. Oh, how little he is, said Mother Wolf. The baby looked up at them and laughed. Sher Khan must be after the man cub. Let's take him inside before he gets here, said Mother Wolf. Inside the cave, the baby crawled between the sleeping wolf cubs and lay down. Just then, Sher Khan reached the cave. What do you need, Sher Khan? Asked Father Wolf, walking towards Sher Khan with angry eyes. A man's cub came this way, said Sher Khan. Give him to me. The man's cub is ours now, said Father Wolf. The tiger roared in anger. Mother Wolf leaped forward and stood in front of Sher Khan. The man's cub will live with our pack. You cannot kill him. Go away. Sher Khan growled, turned around and left. Father Wolf said, the cub must be shown to the pack. Only they can tell us if he can live with us. Mother Wolf said, smiling at the baby. Let's call him Mowgli. The baby smiled back at her. That night, Father Wolf, Mother Wolf, and Mowgli stood in front of all the wolves of the jungle. Baloo, the brown bear, and Bagheera, the wise panther, were also there. Father Wolf pushed Mowgli into the center. Baby Mowgli laughed and began to play with rocks. The leader of the wolf pack asked, should the man cub stay with us? Baloo said, yes, I will teach him all about the jungle. Then Bagheera spoke, yes, let him be a part of the wolf pack. The wolves agreed with Baloo and Bagheera, and that is how Mowgli became a part of the wolf family.
Children, I hope you all enjoyed the story.